Oh, I want my life to live with you. Oh, yes, to live with you. There's a way. Everybody say to do each and every little thing, but what good does it bring? Oh, if I ain't got you, no, I ain't got you, baby. Baby, what it's like. Sabay niyo po ako.
Baby, you don't know what it's like.
One more time.
Love somebody, to love somebody.
Maraming salamat po. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, or to love somebody. The way I love you, I really hope you know how much I love you. Oh no, I really hope you know how much I love you. And though you never know just the way that I love you, oh, the way that I love you. Baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, oh, you don't know what it's like.
Hindi siya, ano? Si Ira. Si Ira.
Go, Ira!
Oh. Hi.
The air was something summer, electric and dusty, before I even knew. We We danced for hours, just ticking the sunrise. Her body felt right on mine.
Parang hindi na makasipa si Ira. Bigat na.
Taas nga eh.
La 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 la, yeah. I love it when I call you señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is la la la, it's la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when I call you señorita. So that you need me, but every touch is la la la, it's la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. Lots of love, just the some things I never see. You say we're just friends, but friends don't know the way you slide. It felt like I love it when I call you, yeah. When I call you señorita, I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave ya, but every touch is la la la, it's la la la. Oh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. I love it when I call you señorita. I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave ya, but every touch is la la la, it's la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when I call you señorita. I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave ya, but every touch is la la la, it's la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. I love it when I call you señorita. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ira Bermudez.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. A song from the 70s. Someday, when I'm awfully alone, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you and the way you look tonight. Your love, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft, there is nothing for me but to love you and the way you look tonight.
Best out niya.
With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my feet apart.
Wala pa rin naman.
Never ever change. Keeps that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. I love you too. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Gusto ko na po kung congratulate si Kiel at maging siya ng happy birthday and sa concert niya. Gusto ko rin po salamatan ng mga lahat na punta ngayon. Tulpahan naman po, guys. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And at last, that rainbow touches my foolish heart.
Nasa loob na po kayo. Kaya po kayo sa labas.
Don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm.
Pinalawakan mo ng ganyan.
Won't you please arrange it?
Yan, yan.
'Cause I love
Yan naman ito. Ano pala sila mami?
Ha?
Mami Rose.
Thank you. I present my younger brother, Carlo Mendoza.
Ay, na si Carlo.
Sabayin niyo po ako dito Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. Over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. Wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. Where troubles melt like lemon drops, away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Oh, why can't I? Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind, where troubles melt like lemon drops, away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. When I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear babies crying, I'll watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Tawagin naman po natin ang aking kapatid na si L.A. Santos. Thank you po. Come on, music museum, make some noise! Come on! Sama na lang sa sigawan dyan! Sabay na ba?
Lunes nang tayo'y magkakilala, Martes nang tayo'y muling Miyerkules nagdapat ako ng pag-ibig.
Sabay na ako?
Huwebes ay iniibig mo ako. Biyernes ay puno ng pagmamahal. Mga puso natin ay sadyang Sabado tayo'y nagkatagpuan, at pagsapit ng linggo, hiliw ako'y iyong iniwan.
Kaya kumanta mo!
Oh, pag-alis mo'y sadyang kagilistik, tulog akong ika'y kapiling, ngunit wala ka na ako'y lumisik. Oh, ay bilis ang iyong pagdating, pag-alis mo'y sadyang kagilistik, pagsinta mo'y sadyang kay sarap, sa hidlat lang, nawala ang lahat. Lunes nang tayo'y magkakilala, Martes nang tayo'y muling magkita, Miyerkules nagdapat ako ng pag-ibig. Huwebes ay iniibig mo ako. Biyernes ay puno ng pagmamahalan. Mga puso natin sadyang nag-awit. Sabado tayo'y nagkatagpuan, at pagsapit ng linggo, hiliw ako'y iyong iniwan. So kayo marinig, come on! Kaya kapiling ngunit oh, kay bilis ang iyong pagdating. Makalis mo sa tangkay ng listing. Pagsita mo ng sagang kasarap. Isang iglap lang, wala ang lahat. Sa pag-ibig ko, nawala nang bumising ako. At hanggang sa ngayon di malaman, dahil ang bakit ikaw ay lumisan. At ang langit sa akin ay iniwan, ay bula-bula nit nakahapon. Kapira-pirasong alaala ng isang linggo. Makalis mo sa dyan kay listing. Natulog ako, kay kapiling ngunit wala ka nang ako'y lumising. O kay bilis ng iyong pagdating. Makalis mo sa dyan kay listing. Pagsita mo sa dyan kay sarap. Isang iglap lang, ulan ang lahat.
Sa mga malakas sa sigawan dyan, let me see. Sabihin na ba, eyo! 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 Maraming salamat po ako nga pala si Ray Santos. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung mga awitin ko. At ngayon po, tawagin ulit natin sa stage ang mga kapatid ko, si Kyle, si Kel, at si Carla po. Sa malakas sa sigawan para sa kanila. Mga pogi. Yes. Mana sa'yo, pare, mana. Sa'yo na kami nagmana.
Oo, ito lang pala.
Maraming salamat, mga pare.
No problem. Basta sa'yo, Bobby.
What's up, bro? Pare ko, meron akong problema. Ano yun?
Huwag mo sabihin na naman.
Alam ko na yan.
Kanya nyo.
In love ako sa isang kolehiyala. Di ko maintindihan. Huwag na natin idaan sa mabuting usapan. Kung kailan ka naging seryoso, tsaka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, let's go. Ano ba naman ito, di ba? Nagkapunta na, pinaasan na lang ako. Let's check dito. Oh, Diyos ko. Ano ba naman ito, di ba? Tangina. Lahat kong tama, pinaasan na lang ako. Let's check dito. Diyos ko. Ano ba naman ito? Yo! Tila ibon kong lumipad, sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalot ng hiwaga. Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa. Kung kaaraw ko ang lahat, may pag-asa bang makilala ka? Sabay-sabay! Awit na nananawagan, baka sakaling napakikinggan. Pag-ibig na pala isipan, sa kanta na lang inaaral. di man o cha-cha, ngunit mapaborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakainda, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo, at buong maghapon ay tinuturuan nyo ako. Wow! Sabihin niyo ako!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Maraming salamat po.
meron lang. Hi, hello everybody, hello. Dito na ako meron lang kami very important announcement for tonight. This is quite medyo queer, no? Medyo may mahalaga na announcement ang manager ni Ms. Morissette Amon. He's joining us here on stage with Morissette. May sasabihin na po importante. May we call in Mr. David Cosico.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here this evening to celebrate with Kiel. Morissette was here this afternoon until this evening. She rehearsed with Tito Butch, with Kiel. But I would like to apologize on her behalf that there's a medical emergency that we have to attend to. I am so sorry, but I do not want to dampen the spirits of everybody in this evening's celebration. So along with my apologies is a greeting also of a good evening, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you very much.
David, kasi syempre the people, sorry for the disruption. David, can we just ask Morissette, makita na siya ng mga tao? Kasi ayaw lang isipin ng mga tao na hindi siya dumating. Because, our people will love our audience. Kahit dito lang, makita na siya dumaan. Gumanyan na siya kahit is tumingin because may nangyayari talaga ganito in the middle of the show. So we apologize for that. This happens to the best of us. Para tuloy-tuloy ang ating kasiyahan. Pero makita lang si Morissette para masabi ng mga tao that she's really here.
Stage na lang.
Diba? Nakabihis na naman siya. Paalis na siya because may emergency lang, hindi makalabas ang boses. Talaga she's so devastated. So, para makita lang, tapos para tayo, tuloy ang ating ligaya. Diba? David, can we do that? Can palabas lang? Baka sabihin kasi mga tao, niloko namin sila eh.
Talak na si Daisy. At lock din mo.
Pasensya na po disruptive, very quick lang to. After that, the next show natin. Saan si Ms. Morissette? Ayun. Ayun si Ms. Morissette. Ayan. Makita lang sana.
Asan? Kailangan tumakbo.
Ayan.
Kaway lang.
Nakita niyo?
Hindi.
Thank you. Tuloy ang show.
Kaloka. O yan, nagagalit si Daisy. O.
Love you, Mama Daisy. Mama Daisy, Tita Annabelle, I love you guys. Joel Cruz, Daddy Doc, Dr. Percival Galeon, and everybody, members of the press. Let's understand the situation na. Okay, go na tayo.
Go!
Okay na. Birthday ni Kiel. Let's celebrate.
Go, go! Care without Morissette. Care.
Kailan tumakbo? Kailan maglakad?
Si Morissette tumatakbo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo po, lahat po kami sa backstage ay naman as much as we want to have Miss Morissette ngayong gabi. Pero
Wala nang kuha sa'yo.
So,
Wala Daisy mo.
tuloy po tayo.
Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat po. And this time I would like to sing one of my originals. Kinumpose siya ni Benny Saturno. And it will be out soon under Star Music. So, abangan niyo po.
Kasi Roy.
This is my first ever Google song. So, here we go.
Hindi naman. Hindi mo pinakita sa kanya.
Hindi ko nakita si Roy eh.
Si Roy kasi.
Sabihin
Akala ko naman.
iyong
Buti pa si Roy nakapagpapicture ni Morissette.
ay nakikita.
Hindi, feeling ko wala siyang boses talaga. Actually, interview ko sana si Roy.
Kaibigan
Interview ko
sa
siya. Hindi siya makapagsalita.
dahil
Emergency na. Yan, lang, maligwan. Pero tumakbo sana mo na pamaligwan ka. Di ba pinapapayag siya?
Ika'y aasa sa kanya.
Pre, nawakan mo nga ito.
Na pag-ibig sa'yo kahit lagi na ika'y pinasasakit.
Kanina bang management sa Horizon Cornerstone? Layo on ka na.
Manhid ko na. Bakit ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo di makita? Muli ang puso mo nang maipakita ko na may isang puso na tapat at totoo. Pagmamahal sa'yo, maging